Hello everyone.
Former President Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe party has been marred by allegations of fraud and leadership purge. This followed claims of fraud by Lennox Nzondo, a former senior official of the party, alleging that according to the city press, that the party forged signatures that will see it registered to appear on the 2024 ballot. According to the law, political parties had to obtain and submit at least 15,000 signatures of members and supporters to register for the 2024 polls and appear on the ballot. These allegations also come as the party removed its co-founder Jabulani Khumalo and 4 other senior figures from its leadership structure over the allegations of suspicious dealings with the African National Congress. Nzondo reportedly told Western Cape Police in a statement that the mass forgery of signatures was achieved by a team of 20 people who he appointed. The team allegedly obtained names, ID numbers, and cell phone numbers of job seekers from a database of the Cape Metro Council fraudulently. Although Nzondo didn't mention the origin of the job seekers' information, reports stated that they determined it belonged to the Cape Metro Council. The City Press added that some people on the supporter list denied signing and some confirmed that they registered on the job seeker database. In his affidavit, Nzondo alleged that they compiled the list of the House of Umkhonto weSizwe Party Secretary General in Western Cape and South Africa's former ambassador to Qatar. He reportedly further alleged that they reported the team's daily progress to Umkhonto weSizwe Party Western Cape chairperson Fumagile Boy. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.